Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Now, what if the clients that you're onboarding within your Go High level, you don't need to train them one by one what this individual features are within the Go High level, what each tab means, and how do you set up the individual things like the calendar, the payments, automation. What if there is a white labeled video which is automatically going to guide your client? So basically, any client that you onboard, they will be having these white labeled videos done for them, so they just play the video and learn the system themselves. And each of the client that you onboard, you're going to have it. So this is the white labeled onboarding funnel that we are going to give you the entire snapshot for this. And this is one of the funnel which has the all the white labeled onboarding videos. Let me just show you how these videos are, and then you're going to get it. And I'm going to even show you how do you get these video, like how do you get this snapshot. One click of a button, it'll be imported into your account, and then either you just import the funnel into each of the sub account, or just welcome email, you send them to this white label training videos. So let me just open the white label videos. What I mean by white label is that there is no face behind it, so it's just audio recording with the screen, so that anybody can use it onto their system. So let me just, like, first thing, let's say you want them to do the account setting. The next thing, you want them the phone number, the integration, how does it work, the dashboard, what are the meanings of individual thing, how does the contact work, calendar work, conversation work. It can even help you to get onboarded yourself. Let us just open one of the video.
Hello and welcome to the best marketing software in the world. To start off, we're going to set up a couple things in our account settings. To access that, we're going to go down to the bottom left here where it says settings, and then we are going to jump into our business profile. First, you want to make sure that your general info is all correct here: your friendly business name, your legal business name, your business email, phone number, and website if you have one, and then the niche that your business is in. If you need to change any of these, make sure to change them and then hit up.
So guys, this was just to show you like one of them. Let us just open one more. Let's say the automation, right? If they open the automation to understand.
In the automations tab is where you can build out different automations. You can automate things like text, emails, voicemails, Facebook and Instagram DMs, and so much more. Your account will already have pre-built automations, but I'm going to show you an example of an automation so you can see how they work. This is an automation for when a customer books an appointment with us on our calendar. So up here we have our trigger event, which is a customer books an appointment with us. The first
So
step.
this was just to show you the idea. I have not played the entire videos, even the website, the Facebook ad, the reporting, reputation, payments, conversation, contacts, opportunities. So as you can see, everything. So not just like your individual sub accounts that you're onboarding the clients, they will be able to learn the system by themselves without you intervening manually, as well as you yourself. Let's say you don't know about all these individual features, you can learn it yourself. But most importantly, each of your sub accounts can actually learn it. So this would be amazing thing, guys, for each one of you guys to actually get this snapshots. So I'm going to now tell you like how do you get this white label onboarding course, and as promised, like completely free. Now, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I'm the founder and the CEO of my company, Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. We are based in Dubai, and basically, I have been associated with the Go High Level. I have been independent affiliate from the past 4.5 years. We have been writing those blog articles, hundreds of blog articles back then in 2020 when there were just 1,500 agencies. Right now, 70,000 plus agencies are using Go High Level actively. I have done interviews of the founder and the CEO, both like the Sean Clark and Varun Varavan. It is available on my YouTube channel. People loved it. So I think this is one of the best software for the marketing agencies. That is why we actively do promote it. Now comes the question: how do you get this snapshot where one click of a button you get the onboarding course? By the way, guys, like as I told you, you can individually just download the funnels. Like you can individually copy the funnel into the sub accounts right away, white label training videos, or you can just send them an email and the link to the white label. So whichever way. So the moment that you have it, you have access to entire thing. So all you have to do to avail this snapshot completely free from us, just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. I'll pop it up onto the screen. The moment that you go here you will be able to see this is the bonus page, sign up page. We have had here, and apart from that, like if you're signing up completely new, so basically, I mean, you will be having more than that. And this is just one of the snapshot. We are going to give you 127 snapshot as a bonus. Like 127 snapshot contains the all the premium ones, the communities, the coaching, the real estate, the plumbing, anything that you name it. So what is the set of ways? Five in different ways where you can avail this snapshot and the white labeled videos bonus completely free. The first one is you sign up for the 30-day free trial of the Go High Level using our referral link. This is the link. You click onto it, sign up for the free trial, and just email to us at abdullah@abdullahzahi.com. Of course, like within this website itself, you'll be able to find my email down below, or even you can WhatsApp me on the phone number which is written here. We are going to deliver it to you. Now, let's say you have already signed up to the Go High Level. You do not have any option left to sign up anymore. Then this next thing that you can do, you can upgrade to the, this is the second option, by the way, to get it. Upgrade to the $297 per month plan. Click on this link, and our referral ID will be automatically populated. And then you just have to enter your relationship number and name, and that's it. Click upgrade, and that's it. You're qualified. Just send us the screenshot at abdullah@abdullahzai.com after completing, just submitting this form quickly within few seconds, and that's it. We are going to send you the snapshot bonus, like the white label course, as well as 127 snapshot. The third option, if let's say you don't want to upgrade to the $297 plan, you can upgrade to the $497 plan, where you just click onto this link, and again our referral ID will be pre-populated with this link, and you just have to enter your relationship number and name, and just take the screenshot and send email to us at abdullah@abdullahzai.com, and that's it. That's it. Like, let us handle all your bonus. We just promised, right? Then we have even introduced, this is a no-brainer option, guys. Like, let's say you have exhausted all three options, you can just enter AI bonuses as a code, because this is not even an upgrade, this is not even a charge, this is just anybody can enter at any time without charging, without using the this new AI employee feature. Within the AI employee, just enter AI bonuses, and that's it. Send us the screenshot and we are going to give it to you, the bonus. Let me just show you, like, this is the fourth way, by the way. Let me just show you. A lot of people say like they do not know how do you actually enter the AI bonuses. So let me just show you. So all you have to do is just go to the settings, click on AI employee, click on manager offer, and here you just enter AI bonuses. That's it. FP reference is equal to AI bonus. Click on apply. Here will be the button of apply, and that's it, guys. The moment that you have applied, just send us the screenshot on abdullah@abdullahzai.com. Now, this does not mean that you have already started using AI employee. This does not mean that you'll be now being charged onto the AI employee. Only when you use it in the future, then only you'll be charged. Anyways, like, with or without code, this is it remains same. When you use it in the future, then only you'll be charged. So just enter the code, and we will ensure that we deliver you the bonus, right? This is a fourth option. Now let's say even the fourth option, you used it, you entered somebody else's code. Then the last option, scroll to the bottom, and here you can purchase the entire snapshot set. As I like, here it's given 98% discount. The total value of the 127 snapshot is 14,000 plus dollars, but one time cost of $347 you can purchase. This is the debit or credit card link. You just purchase it. The moment that you purchase, you'll be right away able to download 127 snapshots, and after that just email to us or WhatsApp us here, so that we can separately send you this AI agency snapshot. uh, I mean, basically, this is an AI agency snapshot where all the website, the workflows is also there. You can use it for that as well. And within this, there is a white label training videos which contains the entire white label onboarding setup, that every time you onboard a new Go High Level client, you don't need to teach them entire all of these things, right? They will be learning, as I just showed you, by themselves. So guys, this is the way. And of course, like, you can even let's say you want to you don't want to use the entire snapshot, you just want to use the funnels. So even here, like, if you just want to use the funnels, like, just right click here, and as you can see, share. The moment that you share, this is the link, so you just copy the link and you just pre-populate it. The moment that you paste it, it'll ask you which sub account you want to import to. You can import and clone to all the sub accounts, or whichever way. So the moment that you have this, you can use it to your way. So guys, I hope that you found the video helpful. Definitely the white label onboarding videos is going to ease your journey with the Go High Level. I've showed you all the four ways. Sign up for the 30-day free trial. Go to the link abdullahzai.com/snapshots, and or upgrade to $297 plan, or the third option, upgrade to $497 plan, or the fourth option, go to the settings from your agency view and enter our code AI bonuses. or the fifth option, purchase it at one time cost at $347 only. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.